Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, let me present you the new manhwa, Dear Ming. So here it is, let's read the story. In the flashy building, people are full of desire. The law of heaven is almost destroyed. Traveling as usual and welcoming a guest officer. His guest officer. But she was not looking for. Right now, the guest is looking at her. She was called Chang guest officer. Right now, she seems to be surprised. Huh? Guest told her. The truth is, I didn't know the hexagram, but he can know the future. Oh, that was amazing. She can know the future. And Suyu, as an unusual brother girl. Well, it seems to. I am guilty of not being able to protect you back then. I thought this life would never be you again. Your Highness, the princess. Oh, it turns out she was the princess back then. Transmigrate on this world and their encounter, what kind of unusual future will ushers in? How should I tell you? The girl visitor asked her. Cherish you so much. Well, it seems that the girl is really fond on her. The future you see, it's all about you two. Well, I am right guys. These girls look showing on Song Beyond the World. I will never let you die on the looming banquet. Well guys, let me present you the manhwa called Dear Ming Banquet. So here's the preview about this. Production piece, The Banquet with a Deer Crying, also known as Dear Ming Banquet. They met each other, or close to each other. The visitor girl never leave her sight. Especially, she really fond of her. Stay tuned later for the chapter 1. I hope you can support this manhwa. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!